This 2018 Forest River Salem Hemisphere Hyper-Lyte 26 RLHL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Forest River is 30 feet 1 inch in length and features one slideout, sleeps 6, TV, auxiliary battery, slideout, awning, leveling jacks, microwave, DVD player, refrigerator, stove top burner, Colorado Detector, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Forest River Salem Hemisphere Hyper-Lyte 26 RLHL is 5,728 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.